Changing your view of the deals that you have in your pipeline is quite simple to do. The first thing to do is make sure that you're on the deals page. You can come to sales, select deals, and you'll notice up on the top bar next to deals, you have a drop down menu. Currently, I'm in the sales pipeline. I can go ahead and open this up and all of your pipelines will show here. To navigate to a different pipeline, just select any other pipeline that will show up here. I only have the one, so I will leave it here. However, if you have multiple, go ahead and select whichever pipeline you want to be in. Uh, I also recommend that you stay within this view, this kind of Trello view where you can actually see and visualize what deals you have and what stage they're in. However, if you want to get a list of the deals that you have, or if you want to view all of the deals that you have in all of your pipelines, next to the pipeline dropdown, you'll see this little hamburger button. Go ahead and select that. You'll see all of the deals that are available, and you'll notice that it's set to all pipelines. You can go ahead and change this if you want to, using the same method, opening it up and showing everything that's in a particular pipeline as well.